Welcome to the Silva Mind Control Meditation. This is Priya Mehta, guiding your mind from outside noise to deep inner peace, where your thoughts, energy, and imagination create powerful reality. Through the Silva Mind Control method, you will learn to enter your deepest state of awareness, the alpha state, where your mind becomes the master key to healing, creativity, and transformation. Let us begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can be completely at ease. Sit or lie down. Let your hands rest softly. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, slow breath in. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale from your mouth. As you breathe in deeply, feel your breath becoming a wave of peace. As you breathe out, let all the stress, noise, and the negative thoughts completely go out with every exhale. With each breath, your body begins to unwind. Your shoulders relax. Your neck softens. Your chest opens gently. And your mind begins to rest. Now, imagine a warm golden light above your head. The light of pure healing, pure calm. It slowly touches the top of your head, and wherever it touches, all the tension melts away. This golden light flows down to your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Slowly, this golden light moves down to your neck and your shoulders, lifting away all the stress, all the tension. It flows down through your arms, your hands, and through the fingertips. Feel this golden light moving down through your chest, your heart center, filling it with love and peace. As it moves through your stomach and your back, releasing all the old worries, releasing all the old negative memories. This beautiful divine light travels down your hips, your thighs, your knees, calf muscles, your ankles, and finally, in complete feet. Your whole body glows in golden stillness. peaceful and safe. You're ready to enter your silver mind control level. Now, as we begin to count from 100 down to 1, each descending number will take you twice as deep into your inner world of calm and power. With each number, your brain waves slows down, your body rests, and your mind becomes more awake inside. Let us begin. 100. You are safe. 99. You're drifting deeper and deeper. 98. Mind and body separating from stress. 97. 96, 95, each number releasing the stress. 94, 93, 92, 91. You're going deeper and deeper. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80. You're floating downwards into peace and calmness. 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. Going deeper and deeper, soft and light. 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. You're breathing steady, your mind clearer and clearer. 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. You are halfway to your deepest calm state. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Your body asleep and your mind is completely awake. You're going deeper and deeper. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Your awareness shining like a small light inside. You are closer to your subconscious mind. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. You're completely calm and peaceful. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You're entering the innermost layer of your subconscious mind. You're almost there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now you are in your deep alpha level. At this beautiful point of time, your imagination is becoming your creation. Now see yourself standing in a beautiful place. This divine place is your own subconscious mind. You can see a beautiful garden filled with divine flowers, with a river flowing beside. You can hear the birds chirping. And a divine golden light falling from above on this beautiful garden. Now see yourself smiling peacefully in this beautiful garden. Look at yourself very calm and composed. All your desires have come true. See it clearly, as if it is actually happening in your life. See yourself happy, healthy, confident, successful. You are filled with love and divine wisdom. See this picture getting brighter and more alive, filling you with joy and gratitude. Feel this immense gratitude. And now repeat slowly to your own self. I am peaceful. I am calm. I am very happy. I direct my thoughts towards harmony and success. My body and mind are healing and aligning perfectly. I attract creative ideas, beautiful people, events that support my growth. I live in peace and divine order. I love everyone and receive abundance of love. I receive abundance of happiness. I receive abundance of wealth. Slowly bring your awareness at the top of your head and feel this radiant light descending from above your head, the light of your higher self. It enters through your crown, flows through your mind, and fills your heart with wisdom. Let it wash every part of your being, cleansing all the negativity, releasing all the fear, realigning you with your perfect self. You are whole, you are balanced, you are powerful. Repeat to yourself, I am the master of my mind. My mind serves my highest purpose. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. And now, as you hear from 1 to 5, you start preparing yourself for the present moment with a fresh energy. 1. Feel the energy in your hands and your feet. 2. Move your eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. 3. Feel this beautiful smile on your face. 4. Relax your body. And 5. Open your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and smile gently. You have successfully completed the Silver 100 to 1 Deep Mind Control Meditation. Thank you for joining.